The effects of climate change has been a very large domino effect. Once humans became industrialized, we have been pumping harmful molecules like CO2 into the atmosphere. This has caused heat to become trapped in the atmosphere and reabsorbed back into the planet. Ever since the 1970s, over 90% of this heat has gone right into the oceans. This has caused the oceans to warm significantly in the past century. Warmer waters then cause more intense hurricanes due to the moisture in the air. In the United States, all coastal sea surface temperature has risen by at least 0.7 degrees Celsius. In Galveston, Texas, the temperature has risen by 0.52 degrees Celsius since 1900 and is projected to rise by 1.6 degrees Celsius by 2080. This might not sound too detrimental to the coastal city, but Galveston is already used to a heavy hurricane season. In 2017, Hurricane Harvey made landfall in Texas and devastated many towns and cities while destroying homes and many other buildings due to the storm and flooding. Hurricane Harvey was a catastrophic Category 4 hurricane when it hit Texas and killed over 100 people. Since the ocean has warmed significantly in the last century, there is much more moisture in the air that can fuel and cause devastating hurricanes. Within 3 weeks, in 2017, Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria all made landfall in the United States and were all devastating. These were all massive hurricanes due to rising temperatures. Now, obviously, it is impossible for the city of Galveston to prevent hurricanes. The city of Galveston has released many files and documents to their citizens giving directions on how to prepare for hurricanes and what to do during the storm. However, Harvey was a major hurricane whose intensity was caused by the rise in sea surface temperatures, and it can be assumed that there will be many more massive hurricanes to follow. After all, Galveston is just one city, and there is not much they can do to stop the oceans from warming. However, one way to decrease the intensity of these massive hurricanes and storm surges is to reduce emissions and so that the heat is not absorbed back into the oceans.